vegetable curry, yummy. It is delicious, and it is such a great recipe for 3 reasons. First of all, it is satisfying and comforting. And secondly, it is an amazing make-ahead, cook-in-bulk recipe that you can do on the weekend, and then you just like dip into it 2 or 3 times in the week, and you've just got it right there, ready to eat. And finally, and most importantly, this recipe is loaded with flavor, and that's all because of these amazing spices and garlic.